Hey, what's going on, my friend? Justin Temple here with a quick video on multiple income funnel back office tour. We're going to go through the multiple income funnel back office and explain every part of the multiple income funnel system so that you can have confidence getting started in purchasing multiple income funnel. Please like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell notifications for future videos, and you can comment down below just like great video, awesome. That would really help me out. And then again, my name is Justin Temple. I got started in network marketing when I was 16 years old. I actually became a top 200 earner out of over 100,000 affiliates in that first program that I joined. And then, like many companies, it went out of business and I didn't have the experience to jump from program to program. So I actually left the industry after about a year later and decided to do a social media marketing agency to help local businesses. And that was fine, but it was a lot of work, a lot of headache. And so I decided to get into crypto and decided to have my own e-commerce store, and I was making $300 per day with my own e-commerce store, doing very well. And then the shipping crisis happened in 2020, so I decided to come back to affiliate marketing because I realized that selling digital products is the best way to go. Always make sure that you sell digital products and digital education so that way you don't have to deal with shipping, customer support, or headaches. Or supplier pricing, or low margins, or not enough margins. So I came back to affiliate marketing to sell digital products, and then I made this YouTube channel, and after 8 months of posting videos on my YouTube channel, I was able to earn my freedom, never have to work a job again, supplement my income like from a job, and then I never have to clock in, never have to commute, never have to drive an hour to work or an hour back, which is what I was doing. So I was able to earn my freedom with affiliate marketing, and I coach my team on exactly how I do my videos and exactly how I build my business. I don't call my team, but my team calls me, and I coach them one-on-one. I do lives almost every day, teaching people, coaching people, so you can always reach out to me. And I even set up your funnel for you. I even set up your email marketing for you. I set up your DKIM, your DMARC, your CNAMEs, your domain. I set up everything for you so that it's really easy on my team for you to succeed if you actually want to fucking listen and follow directions. But most people don't do that, and that's why you have made $0 in affiliate marketing and why you're jumping from program to program being a loser degenerate who is never going to make shit. Okay? So income disclaimer, most people make $0 in network marketing, affiliate marketing. If you decide to purchase anything from one of my links, I will make a commission. Alright, so let's get into the actual back office tour. So here's what you're going to see when you actually decide to pull out your credit card and purchase the multiple income funnel system for $49 per month because you realize the value is way more than the price. So here's what you're going to see. You're going to see step one. You're going to watch this video right here. Okay, and then you're going to join the Facebook group. Alright, so now we have the Facebook group right here. And of course it's going to take forever to load. But anyways, here we got the Facebook group. We're at 15,000 members. It was actually at 14,000 a minute ago. So let's see. Here's our first step right here. And then once you join the Facebook group, you're going to click right here on income stream step 2. And you're going to see this right here. Okay, you're going to see income stream number 1, multiple income funnel. There's the video right here that you've already, basically joined MIF. Congratulations. And then here, you're going to click right here on income stream 2. You're going to watch this video, and then you're going to click the button right here to get started in income stream 2. You're going to click on income stream 3. You're going to go ahead and watch this video. Click right here to get started in income stream 3. And then you're going to go to income stream 4, watch this video, and click here to join Traffic Authority. Now, when you decide to do this, just understand that if I put my username in here and click save, it's a demo page. So this is a little demo page, so just understand that every time you click on Income Stream 4 Traffic Authority, you're going to see this not set up error, but that's not true. As long as you set up your Traffic Authority username in your profile, you'll be okay, alright? So anyways, that is the multiple income funnel step 1. Step 2, step 1, you're going to watch a video. Step 2, you're going to go through all the income streams. Okay, so step 3, you're actually going to set up your e-wallet, and it's actually a really nice video explaining how to set up your e-wallet. I don't want to play it. but like it explains everything. And then when you click set up your e-wallet, it's going to actually have another video. Whoops. Anyways, we're going to have another video that explains it, and it'll be really easy for you. Also, make sure to not put in the business name. So there's a section in here. I don't know if it'll show it to me. But there is a section inside of this setup right here that's asks for business name and like business ID. You can actually skip that and then move on to the next part. Okay, so if you have trouble, just make sure that you're gonna not fill out two parts of it. Like when I say two parts, I mean like one field and another field. Okay, like it's like one section that asks for a business name and business ID. Just skip that and move on. Okay. So anyways, that's the e-wallet setup, and then Backoffice tour is going to be like basically what I'm walking you through right now, explaining the Backoffice and everything that you need to learn about the Backoffice. Okay? Now when you click right here, step 5, we're going to go ahead and get our links to be able to promote multiple income funnel so that we can go ahead and make income, right? So here we go. Let's go back to start here. Okay, so that is the front end of the multiple income funnel system, going through understanding what it is, setting up your income stream, setting up your e-wallet, and the Backoffice tour to be able to learn everything about the system. And then you should have joined the Facebook group as well. So really, really awesome and simple system. Now we're going to just go through the rest of it. For example, there's our contest right here. So when we click right here, we can see that there's a contest for us to be able to earn perpetual traffic or commissions. So right here we have our prizes, 1,000 clicks, $1,000, 500 clicks, $500, 250 clicks, $250, 150 clicks, $150, or 100 clicks, or $100. So you can actually win traffic to be able to build your business better. And also the contest is pretty cool because the daily disciplines are like logging into your Backoffice. Okay, so that's really simple. Boom, just earn some points, and then commenting and engaging in the Facebook group, posting a welcome new team member in the Facebook group, posting a commission screenshot of any MIF sales, and then, or let's see, of any MIF income stream. Yeah. And then be positioned at 2, 3, and 4. Post an income stream in the Facebook income stream sale in the Facebook group. So if you get a sale with 2, 3, or 4, then you can post that, and then generate 1+ lead, weekly Facebook post, and then email your list to 10+ people. So you can literally do this very, very easily. And some of these you can just go into the Facebook group, comment, and you'll be able to just earn some points. Like really, really simple. So, and then you can go right here. You earn 1,000 points for each sale, 5,000 points for an annual sale, and it gives you the details on here on the contest. So really, really awesome. I really, really like this system, and the fact that they have contests to be able to win more traffic, to make more money potentially, is really, really awesome. So that's the contest. And then we have our links right here, okay, our capture pages, and we have our links, our tracking links that we've created, and then we can create a new tracking link right here, okay. Now I actually do not use these pages. I do not recommend you send traffic to max list. I do not recommend that you build max list. I actually recommend using a tool called, I don't know if I have it up here. Right here, I have a page. Okay, right here, I recommend using the Home Business Academy for your funnel builder so that you can actually build your MIF pages inside of HBA. So right here, let me show you real quick if I have some time. So here's our funnel builder. Click on funnels. Scroll down. Click add new step. Click on page. Scroll down. And then right here we have MIF. Okay. So now we got all of the MIF capture pages inside of here. So now you can actually hook this up to your Aweber account or GetResponse account and build your own email list, which Multiple Income Funnel does not let you do. Okay, so that's the easiest way to actually build your own list using Multiple Income Funnel. Training, okay, the training's really, really good. It talks about working on you, talks about other lessons as traffic, and then we got follow-up, YouTube, Facebook, time blocking, launch, and bonus. Really, really good training. I highly recommend it. Marketing system success training. This talks about more in-depth topics like how to tell your story, how to talk to people. It actually talks about all 13 of these topics right here. So really, really good training for your team to go through, like getting plugged in, taking massive action, overcoming skepticism, becoming a product of the product, telling your story. So these are really, really good lessons for your team to learn. Now we're going to go to, this is my team, which means if I click on this, you'll just see my team members. That click on this, you'll see my leads. You'll see their name, the capture page they went through, which I don't use the capture pages. And then you'll see their name and email. Leaderboard right here are the leaders for the week. Okay, I'm right here, number 7. And then we have the all-time leaders, right? So the big boys right there. And then we got our resources. So we got 7 email swipes. We got web banners. I like the web banners because you actually get web banners without the Multiple Income Funnel logo. So really, really unique that they actually have banners without the logo on it. Social media images right here are really, really nice as well. So I like those. And then Facebook posts. We have 1 Facebook post right here. And then traffic. Okay? By traffic from your sponsor right here. Okay. Oh, this is the monthly. So you can do whatever you want for this. I actually do not buy the monthly packages, but you can do whatever you want. I think it's a little bit more expensive to do the monthly, but they also have bonuses for like every the 3rd, the 6th, the 9th, and the 12th month you get bonus traffic. So it's up to you what you want to do. I don't really recommend the monthly, but you can do whatever you want to do. Now, real quick, remember we talked about the income streams? Let me get rid of this real quick. So remember we talked about the income streams. Here's the bonus income stream, is My Lead Gen Secret, which is a traffic source that you can email 100 leads per day, and the leads compound every day. So at the end of 30 days, you have 3,000 leads. At the end of 60 days, you have 6,000 leads, etc. If you get a member into your MLGS, you get 200 leads per day compounded. So that's the additional income stream. The most important thing is understanding My Business. So here's your profile, commissions, payments, billing, e-wallet, and help. Help is where you can get the FAQ, the email support, the phone number support, and how to get more information on your frequently asked questions. Now here is where you're going to actually put your Traffic Authority username right here, your HBA username or affiliate token, and then here's where you can actually edit the income stream. So you can go right here, put a title, description, a video, and a link. You can remove it if you want to. You can actually do another income stream, title, description, video, link, button, and you can remove this if you want. Click update, and now you can go ahead and view your income streams for when your team joins your team. They'll see this. Okay, so that is the back office tour, and there may be 1 or 2 things that I missed. Here's the annual membership right here. You can upgrade to annual if you want to. A lot of people do upgrade, so I recommend you grab that. And but yeah, that's pretty much the entire back office tour. And really quick, I just want to show you we do have a really awesome Facebook group. People post in it all the time. People post their results. Results are not guaranteed. Most people make $0 in affiliate marketing. If you decide to purchase anything from one of my links, I will make a commission. But we got people posting in here all the time about the results and how many leads they generate. So it's a really, really good Facebook group. So go ahead and click the button below right now. Click the link down below to get started in Multiple Income Funnel. And if you're interested in team bonuses, I will have a video in the description about my multiple income funnel team bonuses, which are the best team bonuses in multiple income funnel. So click the link down below. Thank you very much.